In today's digital world, servers are the heroes powering our internet experiences, business operations, and much more. But what is server? A server is a computer or software program that provides services, data, or resources to other computers. Having questioned how server works, let me make it easy for you. Step by step, first client request it, second request sent to server, third server receives request, fourth processing the request. What are types of servers? Types of servers are VPS, cloud and dedicated server, and many more. Now, question is, how to choose the right server? Answer is selecting the right server for your needs involves considering several factors like 1. Determine your needs. 2. Evaluate server types. 3. Hardware required. 4. Choose OS. All this you can get at one place, which is Esteem Host. Yes, Esteem Host provides best cheap prices for VPS, cloud, and dedicated server at best prices with best customer support, scalability, and maximum uptime guarantee. Reach us now.